Loving man here, working back on the wife's car here again today. For those of you who've seen the last video here, the wife was taking the cat to the vet and the cat peed in the carrier and somehow the pee got into the seat of the car, which if you notice, Evan, the seat is currently out. It's sitting right up there. We got to finish that up here yet at some point. But this car, Evan, still stinks. It reeks. Absolutely reeks. And we've cleaned it with, we'd used the special vacuum oven to clean it. We've put a whole bunch of different sprays and air cleaners in it. And oh my goodness. One of the things that was suggested here was to change the cabin air filter. And I never even thought of that one. That's probably something I should have done right away, is change that. So we're going to be doing that here today. We're going to be changing the cabin air filter. And hopefully that will improve upon the stink here in this car. It is definitely better than it was, everyone. But it is definitely still lingering in the car here. So if anyone has any good ideas on how to remove cat piss stink from a vehicle, let me know. We've removed the offending seat of it. The offending seat is gone. And it still stinks in here. It's just like, oh my goodness. Anyway, if I understand it correctly, 2014 Chevy Cruise here, by the way, for those of you wondering. So again, 2014 Chevy Cruise. The cabin air filter, to my understanding, is behind the glove box. So we need to figure out how to get the glove box out, and then whatever's behind there. And of course, when you think I looked up directions, heck no, we're just gonna go for it here. So let's get this glove box out. And oh, filter, by the way, I went with a little bit more expensive filter, everyone. I'm hoping this will maybe cleans and freshens the air, because yeah, we need it in here. So anyway, let's get this glove box open here, figure out what kind of things the wife all has hiding in here. Yep, scissors, okay. Multiple pairs of sunglasses, more CDs. Apparently one of the sunglasses is broken. Okay. AC Delco. What the heck is this? No idea what that is. Massive power charger. Oh my goodness. I found money, Evan. I found money. Oh, that's nothing. Okay. Thought that was something in there yet. We got money. Okay. And what do we got here? Oh, there's something in here yet. There's a glove in there. What in the world? Well, what do you think? Will we find anything else back behind there? Let's find out here. So first off, looks like we need to take this thing out here, maybe. Okay, and there's something. Oh, there we go. Got it, everyone. Got it. That was easy. So we just had a little thing on there to unclip, everyone. And then this thing just fell out. And back here, there's supposed to be a cabin air filter, which I'm guessing is this right here. Tab on either side. Let me get that out here. Okay, I might need both hands for this, Evan. I don't know if you see, there's a tab there, looks like, and there's a tab there. Let me get this out here a minute. Okay, we got the cover off here. So again, there was a tab here. There was also a tab up in the middle here, and then of course a tab on this side. This tab up in the middle, apparently some mentally disabled, retarded engineer came up with this one. Instead of like having to push down it, you got to somehow reach your finger up in there, pull up on that tab. See what I mean? You got to pull up on this tab. And so again, I don't know what kind of retarded, good-for-nothing engineer came up with that idea, but my goodness. Okay. Looks like I better get a vacuum. I'm going to vacuum this here a little bit before I pull this out too far. Looks like there's some leaf material in there. Okay, I vacuumed the cover off here. Let's see once when we pull this out here. Now it's got, oh, something we should probably make note of, airflow down. Okay. Anything else interesting? Oh, there's quite a few leaves up in there. Wow, and that filter is dirty.
Gross.
My goodness. Probably should have replaced this a long time ago.
Yeah, no kidding.
Okay, we'll install the new air filter here. Looks like it has the arrow on it as well, so we'll just slide that in. There we go. And close the cover. Push the tabs in. I think we're good, everyone. Double check here, make sure. Yep. Yep. And yep, and again, this is the tab I was talking about. You got to like reach your hand up in there somehow and try to pull up on that tab. Yep. Get rid of that engineer, everyone. Okay, so it looks like we got two spots on the bottom we just need to catch here. And let me grab this retracting cord thing.
That keeps it from bending forward too far?
Yep. There we go. Not quite lined up right here.
That side isn't clipped in.
There it goes.
Excellent. Ooh.
What is this?
What is it?
I don't know. Snaps in. Maybe when it close it, it pops out.
Then,
Oh, it's trying to limiter. Hold on.
oh, is another, like,
Yeah, it stops it from going too far.
okay, so if it goes too far, then that thing pops out.
Just gotta make sure you got that popped in there. Okay.
Nice. All right, fill it with Megan's crap.
Yep, you can fill it back up again, dear, and we'll see what's how the car smells.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll run the heater a little bit. And,
See if it smells any better in here.
yeah, hopefully.
Okay, well, let's see how this new filter works here. Shouldn't change a whole lot. Yeah, we'll just turn it up here. Full blast. Got it on, oh yeah. Okay. That sounds a little weird. Is that just me?
Sound right. Maybe it's because the filter's finally clean. Okay, dumb question. Is it in the correct way?
Pointing down.
Does it have a front and back?
I don't know really if it matters up and down, but that's what it says, so.
Try turning it on without it in there. Leaves.
There's your problem.
Leaves flapping around in there.
Okay, so about what happened when I took the old filter out, the leaves fell down inside there.
Hey, turn it on and the leaves should blow out, right?
I don't know if it blows in or something.
It looks like there's one to your right. Right.
Let's put this back in. Try that again.
Much better.
That's better. Okay, but after removing a few of the leaves that apparently fell down in the blower when I pulled the filter out, now it sounds a whole lot better. Got it back reinstalled. And yeah, I think we're good on it. So again, thanks for watching. If folks have any comments or questions on this, be sure to leave them down below. And until next time.